my dear friends. Today, here's a new guy with me. Hi, say hi. He's an asshole. Yeah. Irritating creature. Irritates me a lot. See now. See. See now. He's pissed on me. See what he's doing. Now if I try to remove him from there, he's biting me. Say hi. Okay. He's pissed on me right now. काट मत मुझे. काट मत. He's very angry on me, and I'm going to put him inside the cage. Angry bird. Sala angry bird. It's very pissed on me. See. मेरे पे गुस्सा क्यों है तो इतना? मैं क्या तेरा बिगाड़ा? तू मुझे काट रहा क्यों है? मैंने तेरे क्या बिगाड़ा? मत काट मुझे. Okay, bye. I'm going to put him in the cage now. Sorry, कुत्ते.